Anna, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Me too. Let's get something to eat.
Good idea.
What do you want to eat?
I'm not sure. Maybe fast food?
Yes, fast food sounds great. There is a fast food restaurant over there.
Oh, yes, I see it. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, this place is busy.
Yes, many people are here. I think this place is popular.
It smells so good inside.
Yes, I'm even more hungry.
But actually, I'm a little worried.
Worried? Why?
I don't really know how to order food in English. Every time I try, I feel nervous. I don't know what to say.
Oh, I understand. Many people feel that way. But don't worry. Ordering fast food in English is very easy.
Really?
Yes, the words are simple and the sentences are short.
That makes me feel better. Can you teach me?
Of course, let's practice together.
Okay.
First, let me teach you some important words. The word order means to ask for food. When you tell the staff what you want, you are ordering.
Order. Got it.
Good. Next word is menu. The menu is a list of food and drinks. You can choose what you like.
Oh, I see. Order and menu.
Good. Let's look at the menu.
Okay.
Look up there. That big board is the menu.
Wow, there are so many choices.
Yes, don't worry, I will explain. First, burger. A burger is meat in bread. The bread is called a bun.
Yes, I know burgers. I love them.
Good. Next, fries. Fries are potatoes. They are fried in oil.
Oh, yes, I like fries. They are salty.
Yes, and very popular. Next, chicken. You can get chicken burgers or nuggets. Nuggets are small pieces.
Okay. Hey, I have a question.
Yes,
What is a combo?
a combo is a set. You get burger, fries, and a drink all together.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, and it's cheaper.
Okay, I understand. I think I want a combo.
Good choice. Are you ready to order food?
I'm still a little nervous. What should I say?
It's easy. The staff will say, "May I take your order?" Then you say, "Can I get a burger combo?"
That's it?
Yes, just speak clearly.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, welcome. Can I take your order?
Hi, yes, please. I would like a cheeseburger combo.
Sure. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
I'll take medium, please.
And what would you like to drink? We have Coke, Sprite, orange juice, iced tea, and lemonade.
Let me think. Can I get a Coke, please?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all for me.
Okay. And for you? I would like a spicy chicken burger combo. What size? Large, please. And your drink? Orange juice. Anything else? Yes, I would also like an extra fries. One extra fries. Anything else? No, that's all. Okay, your total is $12. How would you like to pay? I'll pay by card. Please tap your card here. Okay, done. Payment successful. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Your order number is 45. Please wait for your number. Thank you.
That was easy.
Yes, you did great.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
See, ordering food is simple.
Yes, it's not scary at all.
Let's find a table.
Okay.
There is a table near the window.
Perfect. I like sitting by the window.
Me too.
The food is here. Wow, it looks so good.
Yes, I'm excited to eat. Let's start eating.
Okay. This burger is delicious.
Yes, my chicken burger is very tasty.
The fries are hot and crispy. I love fries.
Me too. Dip them in ketchup.
Good idea.
How is your drink?
It's nice and cold, very refreshing.
Mine too. This is really good.
Yes, fast food is simple but tasty.
I agree. Do you eat fast food often?
Not really, only sometimes.
Same here. It's good for a quick meal.
Yes, but not every day.
Right. I'm getting full.
Me too, but I still want to finish my fries.
Same. Fries are hard to stop eating.
That's true.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe. What do they have?
They have ice cream and pies.
Oh, ice cream sounds nice.
Yes, especially after a meal. Should we order one? Let's share one.
Good idea.
Hello again. Hi. Can we get one ice cream? Sure. What flavor? Vanilla, please. Okay. Anything else? No, that's all. Your total is $2. I'll pay cash. Here you go. Thank you. Here is your ice cream. Thanks. Let's go back to the table.
Okay. This looks so good.
Yes, let's share.
Okay. It's very creamy.
Yes, and sweet. I like it.
Me too. Now I'm really full.
Same here. That was a great meal.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Me too. Now let's go.
That was fun.
Yes, it was.
I learned a lot today.
Really?
Yes, like how to order food and how to choose a combo meal.
That's great. You did very well.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You should. Next time, you can order by yourself.
Yes, I will try.
Do you want to come here again?
Of course. Maybe next week.
Sounds good. We can try something different.
Yes, maybe a different burger.
Or chicken nuggets.
Good idea. I'm happy we came here.
Me too.
It was simple and fun.
And the food was delicious.
Yes. Next time I will order faster.
Yes, you will. Practice makes perfect.
That's true. Let's go home now.
Okay.